Hello, Millings TV fan. Is Milling po. Kamusta po sila? Ano po ang inyong pinagkakaabalahan? Sana po nasa mabuti sila kalagayan at tayo po ay may magandang isi-share sa inyo. At dumating na po ang ating second order na nag-uunahan. So ito po ay galing sa Lazada. Pinadala po kay Lex. At ang store is ano ba to? Taoat? Taoat po ang nakalagay. Taoat. Yan. Dalawa pong ating items. Ang presyo po niya is 130.57 at binayaran po natin was 64.65. Ito po ay walang iba kundi ay shoe cleaning po ito. So, yan po ang ating titignan kung tama po ba yung ating item. So, dalawang items po siya. Oh, malaki pala siya. Akala ko maliit. So, 260 grams po ito. Na nakalagay po sa expiry is February 17, 2024. So, hindi po natin alam kung expired po ba o hindi. Yan. Malaki pala siya. Akala ko maliit. 260 grams. Tingnan po natin kung 260 nga ba. Talagang 260 grams pero per pieces po. So, maganda po kasi ito sa ating panlinis ng ating mga shoes. So, white shoe cleaning cream po siya. 260 grams. Plant Saponins plant extract daw po ang nakalagay. So, herbal siya. Decontamination, maintenance, deep nourishment, prevent oxidation. White shoe cleaning paste active decontamination in dissolution use and hydrous cleaning paste to effectively remove dirt and add penetrant to penetrate into the upper. Make your shoes as clean as new. So, yan po ang ating item. So, traditional way of brushing shoes is easy to damage the upper, resulting in peeling, gaming, peeling, and other problems of the upper. Our products are formulated to be gentle enough to not harm your shoes or hands, turning black shoes into white shoes in under a minute. So, mabilis pala siya makalinis. Decontamination and brightening, double protection factor, form a barrier film on the upper after cleaning, which can isolate dust and stains. Easily and quickly remove stubborn stain from shoes without washing. So, papahid lang daw po natin sa ating shoes and boots, and it will look new again. It is easier to apply than a paste and easier to apply than a liquid polish. Just one up and you'll notice a dramatic improvement right away. Dramatic talaga. Small white shoes, travel shoes. Yan pong pwedeng paggamitan. Leather shoes, sport shoes, canvas shoes, leather bags. Okay siya sa bags. Car interiors, others breathe new life into your worn and travel shoes instead of throwing them away. So, yan pong ating magandang items. So, meron po siyang sponge. At ito po yung item. Mukhang mabango naman. So, kasi made of plants daw po siya. So, ipapahid lang po natin at pwede na tayong may maganda na tayong bagong shoes. Kahit nilumaan na. So, yun po ang ating items. Sana po ay nagustuhan nila. And give us a thumbs up. Comment down below po sa ating items. Kaya lang, ewan ko kung manufacturing date po ito o expiry date. So, di po natin alam kasi ano po siya, foreign language. So, hindi po natin, yan po, basa niyo po ba? Hindi natin mababasa kasi siguro po yung manufacturing date ito. So, yan po ang ating items kasi una nating nabili na items na dumating, ang bilis-bilis, kaya lang parang hindi po siya effective. So, sana po ay maganda ito. Ito-try po natin kung maganda. Give us a thumbs up, comment down below po, and subscribe po sa ating video. Paki-play po yung ating video for support. Play po natin ads and then video, and add us sa Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. Until next time po, God bless everyone.